What's up, Wolves? We are going to start our underhand rolling skills this week. I am going to review, for those of you that have had me before, my correct cues for an underhand roll. If you have not had me, I want you to pay close attention so then you can repeat these same 4 steps, and that will help you to be more accurate and more successful. Okay? So I'll show you from straight up. If I was going to be rolling it right underneath this iPad, I would put the ball straight out, and I would say tick. I'm going to bring it straight back behind me. I'm going to say top. I'm going to step with my opposite foot, or the foot that is connected to the side of my body, opposite of the ball. So I'm going to step, and then I'm going to bring the ball down low, and I'm going to roll. Okay? So if you look at it from this side, I'll actually let go of the ball this time. So you go tick, top, step, and roll. Make sure you finish pointing at your target, because if you bring your arm back sideways and then across your body, where do you think the ball is going to go? That way. All right? So practice your underhand rolling skills for a little bit, get it nice and dialed in, and then you can move on to this nice little mini game I have made for you. All right?